Hey, it's Dad again with a new recipe for you. Today, we're gonna make steak. And these are the ingredients. Ribeye steak, seasonal, salt and pepper, butter, the secret ingredient, onion. So I'll give you a chance now to go out there and get all those ingredients. Welcome back. We got high heat. We're gonna put our pan down. Next, we're gonna season the meat. Put some seasonal, some salt, and some pepper. And we do the same thing on the other side. Okay, our pan is smoking, so we're gonna lower that to about medium. We're gonna put the first steak in. We're gonna cook that for about 3 minutes on each side. You don't wanna overcook your steak. You wanna undercook it, so that way, in case you wanna cook it more, you can always put it back. Once it's overcooked, you can't go back. Now I'm gonna put some onions in here and half the butter. You want to turn it around once or twice. And there you have it, steak and onions.